Yes, hello, good night. Good night, everyone. Happy Sunday. Welcome to Global Watch Media. This is the finished product that I started earlier, that I showed a clipping of what I was doing when I seasoned the meat and I was putting it to brown. Here go the oxtail is finished. You know, some string bean, cucumber, we have cabbage with carrot, and we have rice and peas. Alright? Happy Sunday to everyone from Global Watch Media. Alright? Everyone from Russia, India, to America, to Canada, to England, to France, to Japan, China, Australia, large up on yourself, the whole world. From Global Watch Media, please like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Have a blessed Sunday. Alright.